Google Console, also known as Google Search Console, is a free web service provided by Google that helps website owners monitor and improve their website's performance in Google search results. It provides data and tools that allow website owners to see how Google crawls and indexes their site, identify potential technical issues, and track the search performance of their site. Website owners can use Google Console to submit their sitemaps and monitor how often Google crawls their site. They can also use it to check for crawl errors, such as broken links, and to see which pages on their site are indexed by Google. Google Console also provides data on the search queries that drive traffic to a site, the keywords that are being used to find the site, and the click-through rates for each query. This data can be used to optimize the content and structure of a site to improve its search performance. It also provides data on the number of clicks, impressions, and click-through rates for each query, as well as a breakdown of the countries, devices, and search types that drive the most traffic to a site. Google Console also allows website owners to set up email alerts for critical issues, such as a sudden drop in traffic or crawl errors. It also allows website owners to verify their site ownership, which is required to access certain features and data.